This year we brought this Tatra T815-7. This vehicle represents the Tatra chassis conception with backbone tube and swinging half axles. Specifically, this vehicle is equipped with water-cooled Cummins engine and automatic Allison transmission. The vehicle can be also equipped with Tatra air-cooled engine and Tatra manual transmissions. Also, there is a possibility to use armored cabins on this specific vehicle, and definitely it's designed for many different types of superstructure. So not just the cargo body can be installed, but also the other equipment or other superstructures are available.